Hi, in this video we will discuss about a reference error in JavaScript. This is my file referenceerror.js. First let me comment these lines and save it and uncomment this line. Okay. Then it's a single line code console.log of name. Let us run the command node referenceerror.js enter. Look at the terminal. We got the error console.log of name reference error name is not defined. When you examine the line of codes, we can understand that we are trying to log the name value. The name is the variable and we are trying to log that name variable value on the terminal. But we know that this name variable is not declared anywhere in this file. So we are accessing a variable name which doesn't exist in this file. So when you try to log that variable value like a console.log of name, it will raise the error reference error type. So we got the error reference error name is not defined. We are trying to reference a name whose value we want to print on the terminal, but it doesn't exist on this file. So reference error is occurred. We got the error message reference error name is not defined. Then in order to avoid this type of error, first we have to make sure that we have declared that variable. Like for example, if you type something like let name is equal to nursery and say now clear the terminal and run the command, and again we got tech nursery from this console. Okay, now let me comment these lines and uncomment this line. Let me clear and execute the file. Look at here we got the error on console.log sum. If you check the number here 12, the line error occurred at the line 12. That means console.log of sum. Reference error sum is not defined. The same error like name is not defined. Here we got sum is not defined. But here the error reason is actually we have declared sum here, but the problem here is we are trying to access a variable which is not in this scope, because some variable is inside this add to num function. So it is available only inside this function. If you try to access this sum variable outside this add to num scope, you will get the error reference error sum is not defined, or whatever the variable name you have given, that name is not defined will be shown here on the terminal, VS Code terminal. So in this video we discussed two cases of reference error. First one is we are trying to access a variable, we are trying to print, we are trying to log a variable which doesn't exist in this file, in this referenceerror.js file or in this code base, and we are trying to access a variable which is not in the same scope or its available scope. For example, this sum is available only in this scope, in this curly braces scope. But if you trying to access this sum outside this add to nums function, we got the reference error. So try to avoid these types of error while you are doing JavaScript development. Thank you.